Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vashi Havis. For today's video, we're going to transfer koi fishes. So we have to secure koi's container. I used 2 gallons water container and put 5 koi fishes. I made sure that there's enough oxygen inside the bottle for the entire travel using mini 5 volts air pump. Hello guys, gabi na. So, good evening. Ayan, dito ko sila nilagay. Ginamitan ko lang sila ng 5 volts na oxygen. Siyempre, ang gamit natin dyan pwede sa power bank. Ayan, so 2 to 3 hours yung biyahe. At nakasurvive naman sila ng bonggang-bongga at mukha naman silang malalakas. So, ayan, oras na para tanggalin yung oxygen natin. Yan, at ililipat na natin sila sa bago nilang tub kasama ng mga naunang koi. Ang masama niya kung hindi nila alam lumabas. Hindi nga nila alam lumabas kasi maliit lang yung butas. So ang gagawin natin, ibubuhos na lang. Yan. Anyway, hindi ako expert sa pagpapakain ng koi fish, no? Basta ang alam ko lang more on protein. So, gusto kong paghaluin yung dried shrimp and yung pellets nila. So, babalikan natin sila in 2 weeks. Alright, habang kinakarga natin yung koi fish, mag-drain naman tayo dito sa catfish. Ew! Mas babaan pa natin ng konti yung tubig para mas makita, no? Tapos kargahan ka agad natin. Yeah! So, sila yung natira. Tamang-tama na to for December. Yan, no? Again, dito sa mas malaking tub, ang next ko dito, subukan na natin ng tilapia. Yan. So, balik muna tayo dito sa koi. Ayos. Kahit 2 faucet yung naka-open. Ang bilis niyang mapuno, no? Paborito talaga nila itong dried shrimp eh. Ayan, subukan na rin natin itong tubifix worms. Ayan, kaso nga lang, pag hindi hinati-hati, mayroong isang pwedeng sumungalingan like that. Yan o. Ayan, so kailangan hati-hatiin. So, yun. Iwan ko muna uli sila in 2 weeks. Balikan ko sila.
Have a new tank mate for our koi fishes. Say hi to your new tank mates, guys. They look good. Daddy's keeping one of them home. Maybe the big orange one. Cool. Bring them out. Bring them out. Yay, they're free. They're free. Free, free, free. Yeah. On flashlight, man. It's on cam. Hey guys, it's Mary and Daddy, and today we're going to do like some electronic things for our like fish battery or something for the oxygen to flow, and also like do electrical stuff. So Daddy's now doing the electronic thing. He's poising the wire now.
Ito yung 5 volts aerator pump or oxygen. Yan, pag walang kuryente, syempre mamamatay yung filter natin. And wala sila makukuha oxygen. So, We need this. Kung saan tayo kukuha ng power, dito pa rin. Yan. Tatapos yan sa battery. Dito. Okay, this one is still working. Yan, 12 volts siya. Pero syempre, 5 volts yung lumalabas sa USB port. Alright, yan yung simpleng backup operator natin or backup oxygen natin pag walang kuryente. Yan o, lakas o. Oh. Nice.